so much fun. I highly recommend it. And now we're headed back to the elevator to bring us back to the top. Right down there is where we were getting soaked by this waterfall right here. This is Bridal Veil Falls, if you can hear me at all. Nobody likes a bad neighbor. And we definitely scored, because check out this cool rig. Old school. Pretty sure they have that generator up on top with the air conditioner in there. You can tell it's used. So Cave of the Winds definitely did not disappoint. Highly recommend checking that out. It really gets you right in depth with those waterfalls. You get to see things that, from what I read, nobody else will see unless you do that tour.